2 days we talk about TOS. And I'm very happy that the Smart Hospital arranged this conference and multidisciplinary conference, and because TOS is a very, very complex disease, and we need to work together to find the cause of the TOS. So we have here a team for diagnostic ultrasound from Hungary, and it was great with Susanna. And then after the diagnosis, I did injection and teach the student how to do injection, and I insist that they do the injection scientifically. And we brought here everything from OR, hemodynamic, and we arranged here a recovery room. It was very great. I didn't see such workshop in other part of the world today, especially for TOS. I guess this conference specific for TOS is just in Suleimania in the world, and it's very valuable. And I guess there are many cases of the TOS here. I don't know what's the reason. Maybe they studied about it. Maybe there is a genetic predisposition for that, but I'm very happy that I'm here, and I hope that I could help specialists here to help the patient. Thank you very much.